Top 5 Best Dash Cams in 2024. Hey there, gadget enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Gadget Corner, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in tech gear. Today we're diving into a world where safety meets technology with our exclusive rundown of the top 5 best dash cams of 2024. These aren't just any dash cams, they're the cream of the crop, handpicked to enhance your driving experience while offering unbeatable security and peace of mind. Whether you're a road trip aficionado, a daily commuter, or someone who simply loves staying ahead in the tech game, this video is tailored just for you. And here's the best part: if any of these dash cams catch your eye, we've got you covered. Check out our pinned comment and description box for Amazon links to snag these gadgets at the best deals. Stay tuned as we start our countdown from number 5. And trust me, you don't want to miss what we have in store for our number 1 pick. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we have the VIOFO A129 Plus, a true gem in the world of dash cams. Now let me tell you why this little powerhouse is making waves. First off, it's all about getting top-notch quality without breaking the bank. The VIOFO A129 Plus delivers exceptional value for money, making it a perfect pick for those who want premium features without the premium price tag. But what really sets it apart? Imagine cruising down the highway and your dash cam is capturing every detail in stunning 1440p resolution. That's right, the VIOFO A129 Plus records footage so sharp and clear you'll feel like you're reliving your drive in high definition. And with its expansive field of view, this dash cam doesn't miss a beat, or a view, for that matter. Now let's talk about security. This dash cam's 24/7 parking mode is like having a vigilant guardian for your car. Whether you're grabbing a coffee or tucked in for the night, it continuously monitors your vehicle, ensuring that every significant moment is captured, even when you're away. But hey, convenience is key, right? That's where the built-in Wi-Fi comes into play. Connect to the mobile app and voila, viewing and downloading footage is a breeze. No fuss, no muss. And for those who prefer their gadgets to be seen and not heard, the VIOFO A129 Plus nails it with its compact and stealthy design. It's like the ninja of dash cams, incredibly efficient yet incredibly discreet, blending seamlessly into your car's interior. So if you're in the market for a dash cam that offers a blend of quality, security, and convenience, the VIOFO A129 Plus might just be your perfect match. And remember, for the best deals on this tech marvel, check out our Amazon links in the pinned comment and description box. Rolling in at number 4 on our list is the Garmin Dashcam Tandem, a sleek and powerful companion for any driver who values both aesthetics and functionality. This isn't just a dash cam, it's a statement of sophistication and smart technology, neatly wrapped in a compact package. Now let's talk design. The Garmin Dashcam Tandem is the epitome of discretion. Its slim build effortlessly tucks behind your rearview mirror, maintaining the sleek look of your car's interior. You might even forget it's there, but it'll always be vigilantly recording every detail of your journey. And speaking of details, the HDR feature on this dash cam is a game changer. Whether you're driving under the bright noon sun or navigating a dimly lit street at night, the footage remains impeccably balanced. The high dynamic range ensures that both bright and dark areas of your video are captured with superior clarity. It's like having an extra pair of eyes that never miss a thing. But there's more. The built-in GPS is like your personal travel diary, tracking your location and speed, adding valuable context to your footage. It's not just about where you go, it's about reliving the journey with all its intricacies. And for those who love a bit of tech magic, the voice control feature is just splendid. Imagine controlling your dash cam with just your voice. Okay, Garmin, save video, and it's done. It's that easy and completely hands-free, keeping you focused on the road. Lastly, let's not forget about storage. The Garmin Vault Cloud Storage is your secure haven for all the important moments you capture. Easily accessible and always reliable, it ensures that your footage is just a few clicks away whenever you need it. In summary, the Garmin Dashcam Tandem is more than just a gadget. It's your reliable road companion, blending in perfectly with your car's aesthetics while offering advanced features for a top-tier driving experience. Stepping up to the podium at number 3 is the Blackvue DR900X 2CH, a dash cam that redefines resilience and clarity on the road. This is not just any dash cam, it's a fortress of technology, designed to thrive in the toughest conditions. First up, let's talk about its unparalleled durability. Whether you're driving through a scorching desert or a snowy blizzard, this dashcam stands unshaken. Its weatherproof and shockproof build ensures it keeps rolling no matter what Mother Nature throws at it. It's like having a tireless guardian that never flinches, come rain or shine. Now, brace yourself for the visual feast that is the dual-channel 4K UHD recording. The Blackvue DR900X 2CH captures everything in spectacular clarity, from the car in front of you to the one tailing behind. With this wide-angle coverage, you get a comprehensive view of your surroundings, making every detail count. But what about night driving? Enter super night vision. This dash cam is a night owl's dream, delivering crystal-clear footage with minimal noise, even in low-light conditions. It's like turning night into day, ensuring no detail slips away unseen. Parking mode is another smart feature. It's not just sitting idle, it's an efficient sentinel, conserving power while still being ready to capture any significant motion or impact. Your car is always under watchful eyes, even when you're away. And let's not overlook the hotspot functionality, a touch of modern convenience. Need to share your internet connection on the go? The Blackvue DR900X 2CH doubles as a Wi-Fi hotspot, keeping you and your devices connected wherever the road takes you. In essence, the Blackvue DR900X 2CH isn't just a dash cam, it's a robust, high-tech ally for every journey. Make sure to check our Amazon links for the best offers on this rugged and cutting-edge gadget. As we inch closer to the top, at number 2, we have the Thinkware U1000, a marvel of modern technology that sets new standards in the dashcam world. This isn't just a dash cam, it's a technological masterpiece designed to elevate your driving experience to new heights. The centerpiece of the Thinkware U1000 is its exceptional image quality. Thanks to the Sony Starvis sensor, this dash cam delivers unparalleled clarity, especially in low-light conditions. Whether it's a foggy morning or a dimly lit street, the footage remains crisp and detailed. It's like having the eyes of an eagle, capturing everything with precision no matter the lighting scenario. But wait, there's more. The Super Dual Channel feature. Imagine both your front and rear views recorded in stunning 4K UHD. That's right, the Thinkware U1000 offers comprehensive coverage, ensuring that every angle of your journey is captured in all its glory. Safety is paramount, and the Thinkware U1000 takes it seriously. With advanced features like lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and driver fatigue monitoring, it's like having a co-pilot that's always looking out for you, enhancing your awareness and keeping you safe on the road. Now let's talk about connectivity. The Thinkware Cloud is a game-changer, offering secure backup and remote access to your footage. Imagine being able to retrieve important videos from anywhere, anytime. And with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, connecting to the mobile app is as easy as pie. Viewing and downloading your footage becomes a seamless, hassle-free experience. In essence, the Thinkware U1000 is more than a dash cam. It's a fusion of superior imaging, comprehensive safety features, and advanced connectivity, all designed to offer you peace of mind while you're behind the wheel. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Claiming the throne at number 1 is the Nextbase 622GW, a dash cam that's in a league of its own. This isn't just a top pick, it's the pinnacle of dash cam technology, blending cutting-edge features with unparalleled reliability. Let's start with the visuals. The 622GW offers superb 4K video quality that's nothing short of cinematic. Every frame is a burst of crisp, detailed imagery, capturing everything from license plates to subtle roadside details with astounding clarity. In an accident, this level of detail can be a game changer, providing clear evidence when you need it the most. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The Alexa integration transforms your dashcam experience. Imagine controlling your dashcam with just your voice. Alexa, start recording. It's that easy. And it's not just about recording. You can adjust settings, play music, and more, all hands-free. It's like having a personal assistant on the road. Nextbase also brings safety to the forefront with its revolutionary What the Words location sharing. In an emergency, every second counts, and being able to pinpoint your exact location can be life-saving. It's like giving first responders a digital beacon to find you quickly and efficiently. And should the worst happen, the emergency SOS feature is your silent guardian. If the G sensor detects a sudden impact, the 622GW doesn't just sit back. It automatically dials emergency services and shares your location, potentially saving crucial moments in an emergency. Lastly, the parking mode is your vigilant watcher, silently monitoring your car when parked. It's like having an eye in the sky, ready to capture any hit-and-runs or acts of vandalism, ensuring you have evidence when you need it. In conclusion, the Nextbase 622GW isn't just a dash cam, it's a robust, smart, and reliable partner for every journey. For those interested in this top-tier gadget, make sure to check our Amazon links for the best deals. The Nextbase 622GW, a true leader in its class. And there you have it, folks, Our curated list of the top 5 best dash cams of 2024. Each of these models brings something unique to the table. From impeccable video quality to innovative safety features, ensuring there's something for every type of driver. Remember, your road safety and peace of mind are priceless, and these dash cams are here to enhance just that. For easy access to any of these top-tier dash cams, don't forget to check out the Amazon links in the description and pinned comment. Your support through these links helps us bring more content like this to you. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the Gadget Corner for more tech reviews and the latest in gadgetry. Stay safe on the roads and keep tech savvy.